Hi, my name is Anya, and today I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw these amazing mini cheesecakes and I really wanted to try it. So I googled the recipe and I found one on the Crazy for Crust website. They had millions of different variations like the s'mores and Oreos, but I just went for the plain cheesecake. And this is how I made it. In a medium-sized bowl, I crushed up tennis biscuits, about a cup and a half of tennis biscuits. To that, I added 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and I mixed it together until it was well combined. Then I took that mixture and I pressed it into lined cupcake trays and I put it in the refrigerator to set up. It took about 15 minutes for me. The filling consisted of 8 ounces of cream cheese. That is roughly equivalent to 250 grams, which is equivalent to 250 grams of cream cheese here in South Africa. To the cream cheese mixture, I added a 1/4 cup of sour cream and I mixed it until it was well combined. 1 egg and mixed until it was well combined. A 1/4 cup of sugar, I mixed it well combined. Lastly, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, but I tend to go a bit heavy-handed on the vanilla essence. Mine was approximately 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. I mixed it until it's all well combined. I spooned 2.5 tablespoons of the mixture into each individual mold. I baked it for 18 to 20 minutes until it was lightly golden brown on the top. Once I took it out, I let it cool on the countertop for a few minutes, then I put it in the fridge overnight. The next morning, I unwrapped each individual cheesecake, topped with whipped cream and some blueberry preserve that I just swirled in with a toothpick. Okay, this one looks really good, so I'm going to try this one. I totally recommend it. It has a lovely base from the biscuits and there's this creamy texture from the cheesecake mixture. I thought since it was baked it would be on the denser side, but it's quite light and fluffy. It's perfect, and the cream just adds a delicate touch to it. We'd really recommend this to anyone. It's amazing.